In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple charts on Webull. If you've ever wanted to compare different time frames, indicators, or symbols side by side, this simple setup will make your analysis faster and more organized. We'll be working in Webull Desktop, which gives you the most flexibility for multi-chart layouts. Start by opening the Chart section in Webull Desktop. This is the standard charting workspace where you normally view a single chart. Make sure the chart window is active and visible so we have access to the layout controls. If your workspace is busy, consider maximizing the chart area so you have enough room to see the tools we're about to use clearly. Next, look toward the top left area of the chart window. You're looking for the grid icon, which typically looks like a small cluster of squares. It's the layout selector for your chart view. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse over the toolbar icons to reveal their labels. In some window sizes or themes, the grid icon can be a bit subtle, so taking a second to hover can help you spot it quickly. Once you've found the grid icon, click it to open the layout options. Here, you can choose how many charts you want to display at the same time: 2, 3, 4, and often more, depending on your version. Select the layout that fits your screen and your workflow. For most people, 2 or 4 charts is a great starting point. 2 lets you compare a higher time frame to a lower one without crowding, while 4 allows you to track multiple symbols or strategies in a single glance. After you select a layout, Webull will split the chart area into multiple panels instantly. Each panel is its own chart view, so you can analyze different data sets side by side without switching tabs. This is especially helpful for monitoring trend direction, momentum, and volume simultaneously across several instruments. A quick tip for clarity: if your monitor is smaller, choose a lighter layout to avoid cramming too much information into limited space. You'll get cleaner visuals, and your indicators will be easier to read. Also, if you prefer to focus on one chart temporarily, you can maximize your window and keep your cursor on the panel you're studying. Webull will still maintain the multi-chart structure for when you're ready to compare again. That's all there is to it. Open the chart section, locate the grid icon, and pick the layout that matches your needs. With this setup, your market view becomes more comprehensive, and your decisions can be quicker and more confident.